In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to comments in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a file right where your discussion is happening, so anyone reviewing the row can see the conversation and the related document in one place. Start by opening the sheet you want to work in. Navigate to the specific row that needs a file attached to its discussion. Keeping the file at the row level ensures the attachment stays tied to the exact item you're talking about, which makes follow-ups and approvals much easier. Next, move your mouse over that row. As you hover, a small set of icons will appear along the far left side of the row. Look for the comment icon. It usually looks like a speech bubble. Click that icon. This is your shortcut to the row's conversation, without opening any extra menus or losing your place on the sheet. A panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. This is the comments panel for that specific row. You'll see any existing thread here, plus a field where you can add your own message. This panel is where all the context lives, so you can read what's already been discussed before you add your file. Just below the comment field, find the paperclip icon. That paperclip is your attachment button. Click it, and Smartsheet will prompt you to choose a file to upload from your device. Select the file you want to share and confirm your choice. You'll see the file start uploading, and once it finishes, it will appear linked within the comment area for that row. Keeping the attachment inside the comment thread makes it clear why the file was added and how it relates to the conversation. If you don't immediately see the icon bar on the left, try moving your cursor slowly over the row until those icons appear. And if the comments panel doesn't show up, make sure you click the comment icon on the row itself, not elsewhere on the sheet. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, hover over the row, click the comment icon on the far left, and in the panel that opens on the right, use the paperclip under the comment field to choose your file and upload it. With your file right inside the discussion, your team can review the document in context and keep everything organized and traceable. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.